in the United States.
Yeah, but that New
About
Orleans is the United States.
79% of the time, it starts somewhere because freaking hurricanes do not. Hurricanes do not.
Weather has to start somewhere.
Hurricanes do not come from the other side of Mexico. That's absurd. That's absurd. No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Nate?
It really doesn't. It starts on the coast of South America and moves up.
We're talking weather.
I'm talking hurricanes and weather in general.
Weather
Not
in
in
general.
the United States. Weather in general does not normally go from west to east.
Yes, it does.
Not all the time.
It follows the movement of the earth.
No, it doesn't.
If the turn, yeah, the earth turns one way. It doesn't go this way and then that way.
Okay. Then wind has a lot to do with weather, right? Would you agree? Okay, so why is there a global jet stream that goes that way, and then a global jet stream that goes way down here and then veers off south? And then there's other jet streams that just kind of circle and then spin off in a random direction. And then there's even some jet streams that change every once a year.
No, we're talking jet streams. We're not talking.
I'm talking wind. Wind isn't, jet streams just aren't in the ocean. Jet streams are any canal.
Earth rotates toward the east. That our weather would come from the east as we run into it, but no, our atmosphere is spinning along with us at nearly the same speed near the ground. Weather moves west to east thanks to the jet stream, which is a high altitude wind that that moves west to east.
That's wrong.
It is not.
Okay, that's fine.
How many of these do you want me to bring up?
And
Weather goes from west to east because of the rotation of the earth.
So I ask you again. If weather goes from the west to the east, then how did Oklahoma get one of our tropical storms? Then how did Oklahoma get storms from Florida? That's the opposite direction of what you're saying.
Florida, if it comes in on this side,
it doesn't come in on that side. Otherwise, Tampa and Clearwater would be demolished every year.
Yeah, they were lucky when New Orleans got the blast instead of them.
Because it went that way and hit right underneath Tampa. Because we lost power for 2 weeks. We were knee deep in water for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Because it came west.
No, it did not.
Went west.
It didn't.
It went west. Hurricane Katrina went west.
Okay, let's put Katrina on here then.
I gotta go to work.
Yeah, that's one way of doing it.
I have to. I'm supposed to be at work at 8:30. I don't even know what time it is. I'm late.
No. Asshole.
How am I an asshole? Because I proved you
wrong? No, you didn't. The internet tells you you're wrong.
So I ask you one more time. How did Hurricane Katrina demolish New Orleans if it heads east? That's in the complete opposite direction.
No.
Yeah, it went up through Daytona. Daytona got the worst of it in Florida. And then it went across and it went into the Gulf of Mexico and the heat made it pick up power. And then it veered up and hit right into New Orleans.
Okay, maybe it did.
You're saying it went over Mexico, over the Gulf of Mexico, and then into New Orleans. No, because they all start over on the coast of South America.
I'll give you that one. Because we're talking water flow as well.
Yeah, with hurricanes, yeah. Water flow is a big issue.
But every time we have weather, not water, not hurricanes, it goes from the west to the east.
But before it hits the United States, there's this huge jet stream that comes up from Australia. And then it branches off.
Australia instead of Africa.
No, I'm not saying Africa's where the hurricanes come from. Or not Africa, South America. Alright, you got Mexico, you got the land bridge, you got Cuba, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and then you have the coast. Not our coast, South America's coast. The wind comes up through Australia, up there, and then it spins off once it hits those mountains in Brazil, and then it hits the water, and then the heat and humidity.
Are you talking water hits the mountains?
No, the air.
Okay.
The air. And then from the molecules vibrating from the temperature change causes ripples in the water, and then when they hit that mountain, it spins off, and then they cause a hurricane. And from the hurricane goes wherever.
And New Orleans is in between Brazil and Florida.
Brazil and no.
Yeah.
No.
Give me a fucking map.
Brazil's down here. Florida's right here. You got the Dominican Republic, Cuba.
Brazil, Florida,
No.
New Orleans.
No. You got Mexico, New Orleans, and then Florida.
If I this way, yeah. You got Brazil, Mexico.
On the other side of Florida's Europe. You got Amsterdam, you got France, you got
What are you
Paris.
talking about?
On the other side of Florida.
You were just telling me. You got Brazil,
No, Mexico.
Mexico, that coast with
And then Brazil down here.
Brazil's down here.
No, it's not. Because California
Yeah,
is
fucking
right
map.
here, and then Japan's way the fuck over here, and then all this is Russia and Australia and Madagascar, and then over
Australia is way down here.
I know. And then Brazil, alright, right here's Florida. Brazil's like right here.
And New Orleans is right here.
No, New Orleans is right here.
No,
Right here.
that's New York, you idiot.
New York's way the fuck up here. Why would
Brazil is over here then.
No. No.
Get a map.
Chelsea, look up
Get a map.
No, I'm having fun recording this.
Chelsea,
Get
look
a
up
map!
Don't fucking yell at me.
I don't know where we have it now.
You have a map on your own computer.
Chelsea, look up a map.
Get the fuck out of here then. We don't need you here.
I'm having fun recording this.
Turn it off.
No.